Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Afshan Kamran and I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today on the World Obesity Day, we are here to discuss and say a few words about the obesity. Since according to the WHO, there's a rising trend, it's increasingly rising trend in obesity in our country, Pakistan. So arising an urge to speak on this issue and highlighting this issue in a public manner. How we can do that? We can do that by increasing the awareness, the most possible and the most easiest way to achieve any goal and targets. Since obesity is a first step in causation of certain disorders like diabetes, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular issues, certain cancers, musculoskeletal disorders. So to prevent these disorders in our population, in our country, it's very much necessary to give easy access of awareness and technical support to the population by means of arranging the awareness programs, by arranging the walks, arranging the increasing physical activity, by providing them the pamphlets, the brochures at a grassroots level, so that the masses can be aware of the fact these simple steps can help them in preventing certain disorders. We must not think that only a simple step, what could be done by just making somebody aware of it, that obesity is such a killer. No, it will make a difference. If you have taught this lesson to one person and he has conveyed to another one and so on and so forth, it will multiply. So everyone has to perform their own duty and job by first giving awareness at a grassroots level to everybody, and by the easy access towards the dietitians and the nutritionists at all level. I hope one small step we are able to take, every one of us is able to take a single small first step. Let's begin with that step. Thank you very much.
Leadership through excellence.